up this morning, stirred it twice, felt the cosmos forming. Black coal sugar pulls me in. Where does this end? Where did it begin? I sip the stars, I taste the sky. Gravity's brew got me flying high. Cosmic coffee keeps me spinning. Sip by sip, the universe grinning. Pour me another galaxy to try. Cosmic coffee never runs dry. Milky Way foam swirling in the steam. A latte of stardust and midnight dreams. Mars mocha with a hint of flame. Every cup whispers my name. Pour it hot, pour it slow. Let the cosmic flavors flow. Jupiter rose, Venus grind, interstellar in my mind. Cosmic coffee keeps me spinning. Sip by sip, the universe grinning. Pour me another galaxy to try. Cosmic coffee never runs dry. Ooh.